Yes. Hi. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn next chapter in Java learning, right? So in this learning path, hello word is completed. Next I will go to next lesson. So in this lesson we will learn about Java syntax, variable, and data types. Java syntax, variables, and data types. Java syntax overview. Java program is made up of classes, method, statements. Classes. These classes are the blueprint for objects. Every Java program has at least one class. Every Java program has at least one class. Okay, next methods. Methods are blocks of code that performs specific task. Specific task. The main method is where the execution starts. The main method. The main method is where the execution starts. Next statements. Statements are instructions that our computer executes ending with a semicolon. Instructions that the computer executes ending with semicolon. Semicolon. I will comment out this one. So this is the Java syntax overview. For Java syntax, we have classes, methods, and statements. See example Java program. Example program. I will write again. So first public class Java syntax variables and data types. So this defines class name. This is the class name. Next, public static void main string args. What is this? This is a main method. We know already this is the entry point for every Java application. System.out.println. Welcome to Java. This prints welcome to Java to the console, right? So this is the class name. This is the main method that is the starting point of every Java program, and system.out.println. This statement will print the welcome to Java in console tab. This we learn in first lesson. Now we will learn about variables. Variable. Variable is a container that holds data that can be changed during program execution. Each variable has a data type that tells what kind of data it holds, and a name that is a identifier used to reference of the variable. Next, an optional initial value is this. See, to declare the variable int, it is a data type, and variable name like my number and initial value, that is 10. So this is the syntax to declare the variables in a program. This int is a data type. It holds number, my number, name of the variable, 10 value assigned to the variable. We have different types of variables, types of variable. Local variables. These variables declare inside a method and only accessible within that method only. Instance variables. These are non-static variables declared in a class but outside methods. Local variables inside method. Instance variables outside method. Next, these instance variables declared in a class but outside the method. Each object of the class has its own caption. Next, static variables. These static variables declared with static keyword shared across all objects of the class. Next, data types in Java. Java has two types of data. One is primitive, another one is reference. Primitive data types simply data types like numbers, characters, and booleans. Reference data types, objects, and arrays, string. Primitive data types, primitive data type, integer numbers. This example, int age is equal to 25. Double decimal numbers. Decimal number. Example, double price is equal to 19.99. Char, single character. Example, char grade is equal to A. Next, byte, short, long. These are different sizes for integers. Float, single precision decimal. Reference data types. Reference data types. First, string, a sequence of characters. Example, string name is equal to Mujahid. String name is equal to Java. Arrays, a collection of variables. Example, int array numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Now I will write a simple program how to use variables in a program. I will comment out the all. Let's see how to declare and use variables in a program. I will start with public static void main string out. This is the entry point for Java program, right? Here we declare the variables. Declare variables like int number equals to 10, double price equals to 19.99, char letter equals to single character, boolean is Java fun is equal to true. String message is equal to I am learning Java. This is the declaring variables in a program. This is the way to declare the variables in a program. Next, printing the variables. Printing the variable. We can use system.out.println for printing the variables. System.out.println. Number. This is the plus symbol is for concatenation. We can use plus symbol. Next, the declared variable name. End with semicolons. To print remaining also, we have to use same statement. Price, letter. Is Java fun? Is Java fun? Message. This is the way to declare the variables in a Java program and print the variables in a Java program. Simply, after saving this, right click and run as Java application. Or you can use here, we have the button, run button. You can simply click on this, the program will be run. So I will go like this, right click and run as Java application. See, these all values are printed in the console tab. Number, price, letter, is Java fun, a message. These are having different data types. For storing numbers, each data type. For storing decimal values, double data type. For storing single characters, char data type. For storing true or false, boolean data type. For storing a string, for storing a message, string data type. Next, typecasting. Typecasting. When you assign a value of one data type to another data type. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one data type to another data type. Java here supports two data types. One is implicit casting, explicit casting. Implicit casting is done by automatically converts smaller type of data types to larger data types. For example, int to double. It will happen automatically. This is called implicit casting. Small to, I will write here, implicit casting. Small data types to big data types. Small data types to large data type. Example, int to double. Explicit casting. Larger data types to small data type. Example, and this will happen automatically. Here, example, int my int is equal to int my double. I think you are not understand. So this will happen manually. See, I will write the example code, example syntax. Example syntax for this. For example, I have a int my int equals to my. This will be double my double is equals to my int. Mean automatic casting will be happen. See, int here the my int is a integer data type. So this integer data type I want to move into a double data type. But here from larger to small data types we need to add explicit casting. Like we need to mention like in double we have a double value. My double is equal to 9.7 something. This double value want to convert it to a integer data type. Int my int is equal my double means it will not convert automatically. Here we have to add manually explicit casting. Int my double. Next exercise I will give. Exercise. Declare an int double char and boolean variables and print the value. Modify the program and change the values of the variables and print the new results. Okay. Next, what you have to do in the research, find out the sizes of these data type. What is the size of int data type? What is the size of double data type? What is the size of char? What is the size of boolean? What is the size of short? These data types range size you can research and find out. Thank you.